I know that as a travel video maker, you're already busy planning trips, recording videos, and editing. All of this is a part of creating engaging vlogs or cinematic travel videos. Making a perfect video without any hassle is not easy, especially at the beginner stage. However, there are some tips and tricks that can help you edit videos faster and more smoothly. In this video, I'll share practical tips to speed up your video editing workflow. I also hired two video editors at different budgets to edit same cinematic travel footage and compare their results, so you can see how professional editors can help when you're busy focusing on your core creative work. Step number 1 is file management. Without it, everything can quickly become messy. When you travel, you usually record footage using multiple devices such as your main camera, action camera, and drone. First, organize your files by device name. Next, create folders based on your shooting locations or scenes such as airport, sea beach, waterfalls, hiking in the mountains, local life, time lapse, and people portraits. This simple file structure will help you find the right footage quickly whenever you need it and make your editing process much faster and smoother. One of the best time-saving techniques is using a starter kit or template in Adobe Premiere Pro. When I create a new project, I always select my own template from the template options. A Premiere Pro template is basically a pre-built, reusable project with all organized bins for media, audio, graphics, sequences, and more. I also have element sequence where I keep frequently used items like sound effects, animated graphics, background, titles, and other assets. Whenever I need them, I simply copy and paste these elements into my main sequence. This keeps my workflow fast, organized, and efficient. Step 3 is choosing the best parts of your clips. First, create sequences based on your locations, like sea beach, waterfalls, or local life. Open the folder for a specific location and watch the clips in the source monitor. When you find a good part, press I for the start point and O for the end point. Drag that selected portion into the matching sequence. This way, you will know exactly which parts to use and edit your video faster. Before moving to step 4, let's talk about a huge time saver for creators who don't have enough time to edit videos. If that sounds like you, Fiverr is the perfect freelance marketplace. You can hire video editors, animators, sound designers, basically any expert you need for your content. Let's hire two video editors at different budgets, give them same clips, and see who delivers the best cinematic travel edit. By the way, this video is sponsored by Fiverr. Thanks for supporting my channel. Okay, I have some video clips and background music, and I have uploaded all of them to Google Drive. Now head over to Fiverr using the link in the description. For this video, I need to hire cinematic video editors. We can find them searching directly or by using the service categories at the top, such as graphics, programming, digital marketing, video, and animation. We can also use filters to quickly find freelancers, from new sellers to top-rated sellers, and even apply a custom budget to match your needs. Sabno Moise is the first editor I choose, and he has 39 positive reviews. His gig video looks great and has Sam Colder style cinematic feel. His packages range from $40 to $100, and I decided to go with the premium package. After a short conversation, I sent him the footage link and a brief describing the cinematic style I wanted. He sent me a $95 custom offers, which I accepted to move forward. Thinking of hiring a freelancer? Use my promo code ARIF10 and get 10% off your first Fiverr order. The second editor I choose is Robin Tuishanka, a level 1 seller with 130 reviews. His showcase videos looked perfect, so I decided to hire him for my cinematic video. I sent him the same brief along with the footage and background music and confirmed the $65 custom order. Both videos should be ready within 3 to 4 days. Let's wait for the delivery. I'll share the details of the final cinematic videos later in this video. Step number 4 is organizing your clips by color. For example, you can make drone footage yellow and sea beach clips blue. By doing this in your main sequence, you can easily identify each clip's category whenever you need to make changes. Step 5 is creating markers on your background music before placing clips into the main sequence. It's very simple. Play the music, and whenever you hear a beat, press the M key to add a marker. Once the markers are set, place and rearrange your video clips according to those markers. This will make your footage feel smoothly synced and naturally connected to the background music. Step 6 about using transitions that enhance your video, not distract from it. Always use transitions only where they make sense. For cinematic travel videos, you can use in-camera seamless transitions, masking, speed ramping, or Luma transitions. For corporate videos, I don't recommend using unnecessary or flashy transitions. Keep them clean and professional. Always choose transition based on the theme and style of your video. You'll find a creative transition tutorial playlist link in the video description. Step number 7 is batch processing, which means apply the same edits to multiple clips at once instead of editing them individually. For example, you can apply color correction or color grading to all your clips together and then move on to sound design. This keeps your workflow consistent, organized, and efficient, saving a lot of time during editing. Good news, Adobe Premiere has delivered the first cinematic video. Let's check it out. This video starts with the animated cinematic blackbars to give it a wide cinematic look. Wow, look at this part. He applies in-camera seamless transitions perfectly. I can honestly say he really understands the clips I recorded for these seamless transitions. Here is the intro title. I wanted a very simple cinematic title and he did a great job. The hit sound effects and the screen blackout as the title appears give it a cinematic feel. The transition here is a masking transition. The tree is in the first clip marks and reveals the next clip perfectly. I have already talked about audio markers based on beats, and this portion is a great example of footage synced smoothly with the music. Here we see another masking transition. Basically, masking and in-camera transitions are perfect for creating a high-quality cinematic video. On the downside that the footstep sound doesn't match the video perfectly. He could use a different footstep effect to improve it. Regarding color grading, I asked for a consistent and professional look throughout the video, which we can see in the teal and orange tones. Here you can see local lives and hardworking people portraits. This portion is really amazing. The background music, pauses, and the sound effects with the boat engine clips are awesome. The ending part of the video is also well done, with a smooth transition and a reverse sound effect. Overall, I think the video is very good. Adobe Premiere has a great sense of cinematic video editing. It could have been even better if I had provided drone and time-lapse videos. Now let's take a look at the second video from Rabindo Ishanka. He took an additional 3 days, so let's see the final cinematic video. Interestingly, both videos begin with the same intro clips. It feels like a coincidence. This title is simple, nothing special. We are now hearing a train horn sound effect, which works really well. Overall, the color grading looks great to me. Wow, this is a nice in-camera seamless transition. Yeah, this is an awesome clip. Having better clips is important for cinematic videos. Here is a Premiere seamless transition. Personally, I don't like using this kind of transitions, especially for cinematic double videos in 2026. Okay, due to the video length, I am spreading up some portions, but you find the full video links in the description. Changing clips with the camera shutter sound effect is really creative work. This portion is also good. Abdo did a better job with the boat engine sections compared to Ravindo. The ending could have been stronger with more creative transitions and sound effects. I think both video editors did a good job. Share your honest reviews in the comments. You can hire either of them. Their Fiverr links will be in the video description. And definitely use my promo code ARIF10 to get 10% off your first order. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.